Oh, I thought you were gonna face it. No worries. I got your brother. Oh, wait. You didn't face it. Hold up. Hello. Glitchmaster here. What the? Bruh. I already did this before, man. I already completed this with the 3x3. I completed your middle brother. Don't think I can't beat you two. Ain't no problem. So, I mean, how long is this going to take? Question mark? No worries. I already did this before. I solved the 3x3, which is your middle brother. This ain't no problem. I can do this. Why did I jump? I'm not doing this again, man. Bro, look. I already solved the 3x3, which is their middle brother, man. I'm not going through this again. Oh, come on, man. Not this again. Look, I already did solve the 3x3. I said, I just said, oh my gosh. Gosh, man, no, not this again, man, bro. I already solved the 3x3, which is their middle brother. It was really easy. It was really easy. Like, it's really not that hard. Like, I mixed it up, but like, I can solve it. Like, fudge. Dang it, I messed it up. I messed it up, big time. Dang it. Oh my gosh, man, not this again. Look, I already had to solve the 3x3, and that's their middle brother. You know how long it took me? It took me like a whole day. I had to look it up on the internet and all that, like. But like, I got it now. Like, look, I can do. Like, what? Like that's nothing. Like that's nothing. Like, I haven't solved it like this before. Like you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, like, yeah. Wait, why'd you press the start button already? Why'd you press the start button? No! Not this again. Look, I already had to solve the 3x3. You know how long that took me? It took me so long. Like, it took me like a whole day to solve because I had to look it up on the internet, do all that. Like you understand what I'm saying? Like, right? But look, this is cakewalk now. Look. See, like, see that was nothing. That was nothing. Like you know what I'm saying? Like, I got this. Gosh, man, not this again. Look, I really had to.
You didn't turn your head this time, didn't you?
Just have to hold it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have to hold it. Like that. Like, yeah, like, just gotta hold it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you just gotta hold it like that and keep it going because it has its own voice. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, like, you just have to do it like that technically. So that's technically how you do it. Well, I mean, at least I did try. Like, you can't say anything about that, punk. Like you know what I'm saying? Like, really not that complicated. Um, you're stupid. Peace. Crap. Crap. problem. Like, you agree? Like,